all, welcome to our new video. Today we discuss SET Sociology 2019 question and answer. Question: according to 𝗦𝗘𝗧, dash will be the supreme commandment in the religion of humanity. The answer is live for others. Second question: wife's brother's son is an example of dash kin, tertiary kin. Third question: in the military society, individuals exist for the benefit of dash. The answer is state. Fourth question: according to Spencer, which among the following is not a basic law of evolution? Law of evolution of religion. Fifth question: mechanical solidarity is a solidarity of dash. Answer is resemblance. Question: in primitive societies, the common conscience dash individual differences. The answer is blankets, option A. Seventh question: remember that time is money. Who made this statement? Answer is option B, Weber. Eighth question: dash is an analytical construct that serves as a measuring rod to ascertain similarities as well as deviations. The answer is C, ideal type. Ninth question: who among the following made a combined analysis of class, status and power? The answer is B, Weber. Question: Pareto's scientific procedure is known as dash. Option D, logico-experimental method. 11th question: logical actions are motivated by reasoning while non-logical actions are by dash. The answer is option B, sentiments. Question: the economic system of production and distribution are considered as the dash of society according to Marx. The answer is option A, basic structure. 13. At the height of the class conflict, the petty bourgeoisie and the lumpen proletariat become drawn into the rank of dash. The answer is option C, proletariat. 14. Marx identified 4 stages of human history on the basis of mode of production. They are primitive communalism, dash, feudalism and capitalism. The answer is option A, ancient slave production. 15. Which of the following logic of Hegel was rejected by Marx? The answer is option A, idealistic Rummel. 16. Protestant ethic insists the work is virtue in itself since it contributes to the dash. The answer is option C, glory of God. 17. Who among the following explained sociology as a humanistic discipline? The answer is option C, Peter Berger. 18. Adaptation, goal attainment, integration and dash are the functional prerequisites according to Parsons. The answer is option D, pattern maintenance. 19. Who advocated the functional unity of society? The answer is option D, Robert K. Merton. 20. Function refers to partial activity, total activity, of which it is the part. Who defined? The answer is option A, Radcliffe Brown. 21. Malinowski function analysis is largely based on dash. The answer is option C, culture. 22. Authority structure according to Daradov involves relations of dash and dash. The answer is option A, superiorization and subordination. 23. The mental picture of oneself is called dash. Looking glass itself. 24. Match the following. Homo hierarchius, Louis Dumont. Invitation of sociology, Peter Berger. Development as freedom, Amartya Sen. Philosophy of the present, Med. The answer is question B. 25. Who among the following introduced phenomenology to American sociology? The answer is option C, Alfred Schutz. 26. The study of folk or common sense methods employed by people to make sense of everyday activities by constructing and maintaining social reality is called dash. The answer is option ethnomethodology. Dash is a political act beyond the rules of established political system. The answer is option D, terrorism. 28. The means by which a ruling or dominant group wins over a subordinated group through ideas. Such a process, according to Gramsci, is called dash. The answer is option A, hegemony. 29. Power is not simply repressive or coercive but can be productive. Who proposed this view? The answer is option C, Foucault. 13. In Foucault's discourse, he developed 4 strategies of knowledge and power, which is collectively called dash. The answer is option D, biopower. 31. Distanciation refers to the fact that. The answer is option B. Relationships are no longer tied to specific locales. 32. Recursivity, according to Giddens' theory of structuration, refers to dash. Option A, feedback. According to Habermas, distorted communication is the equivalent of Marx dash. Option B, false consciousness. 34. Human nature is freedom. Who explained this? The answer is option A, Althusser. 35. Match the following. The answer is option D. A. Protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech. Article 90. Equality of opportunity in public employment. Article 60. C. Reservation of seats in legislative bodies for SCs and STs. Article 334. National Commission for SCs and STs. Article 338. 36. Public sociology is associated with. The answer is option A, American Sociological Association. 37. Which of the following statement is correct? Option D. Hypothesis should always be correct. 8. The role of concept is to establish some kind of dash. The answer is option A, link with social world. 39. Measurement of variables can be performed at 4 levels. They are nominal, ordinal, interval and dash. The answer is option A, ratio. 40. The sum total of all units that conform to some designated set of specification is called. The answer is option C, universe. 41. Lottery method is an example of dash. The answer is option C, probability. 42. Dash is a small scale of replica and a rehearsal of the main study. The answer is option B, pilot study. 43. Research design provides us a dash. Answer is option D, blueprint. Scale is used to determine the dash of different items or statements. The answer is option D, relative intensity. 45. One of the limitations of questionnaire is dash. Option D, only for educated people. 46. Focused interview is on which is focused on a specific dash. Option B, topic. 47. Which among the following is not a purpose of case study? Answer is option D, to analyze the context. 48. Dash is the most frequent value or score in a distribution. The answer is option C, mode. 49. Correlation between test and criterion are called. Answer is A, validity coefficient.